You may be tired of typing out long Git commands each time whenever you want to make pull, commit, or create a new branch. Let's add Git Aliases, which are shortcuts that save you time on repetitive commands. Firstly, find Git config file on your PC. On my machine, it's locating at home directory, but for me, it was required to display hidden folders and files to find that. Open Git config, and then add one more title there, which is alias. It's important to wrap it with square braces. Then let's add some alias for such common commands like checkout branch, checkout, commit commands with different flags, pull origin, push origin, reset, rebase continue, config list, and final one is for git log. The definition of this alias is quite long, but don't worry, you can find all these aliases in the description for this video. Once we added our aliases and saved git config file, we are already good to use them in our terminal. Let's try to make pull origin. By the way, autocomplete for your branch names is still working, and that's awesome. Then let's try to create a new branch. We made it. And now I suggest adding some changes for our repository, and let's try to commit them. Fine, it works also. Finally, let's check our git log. As you can see, that long alias for git log makes our git history more readable. Just for sample, let's check how git history looks without our alias. As for me, difference is obvious. Just in case git reset is still working, even with this brief commit hash,